This tutorial guides you through displaying real-time news on your screen by integrating PowerPoint with SignageTube Live. You'll learn how to connect live news feeds, configure dynamic text boxes, and enable scrolling to create an engaging, up-to-date signage display. Before starting, ensure you have PowerPoint installed and access to SignageTube Live features. Select a slide to display your news and click SignageTube tab to access the SignageTube Live integration features within PowerPoint. Click on Connections to manage and add new data connections for live content. Select the News RSS data provider from the list for live news feeds. RSS is a standard communication protocol for news websites and also blog sections from websites to announce the latest news and articles. In the query area, click Add to create a new data connection for your live news feed. Paste or enter the RSS URL of your choice. Or use this default RSS URL. Let me give you a hint. When you are in a browser, and you have visited your favorite newspaper, select the URL of its RSS feed and it will be copied in here automatically when you add the connection. Confirm the addition by clicking OK to proceed with the new connection setup. Here you can find a preview of the raw articles and see all the columns and data that are returned. Click OK again to finalize the connection settings and return to the main interface. Select a text box placeholder to bind it to the title. Click SignageTube and then the text box button. The default connection is fine now since we only have one data connection in this presentation. From the list of available columns, select Title. Click OK to apply the data connection to the text box and display the news title. Select a second placeholder of your slide to host the description or more details about the news. Note that maybe not always this information is provided. It depends on the data source you are using. Click Text Box again from the SignageTube menu. Select Description to display the news description or summary in the text box. Click OK to apply the description data connection and update the content. Click Scrolling to enable scrolling for the news text, allowing more articles to be shown. Click Enabled to activate the scrolling feature for dynamic text display for the selected data connection. Set the timer value how long you want to show each news article. Click OK to save the scrolling settings and return to the slide. Start the slideshow, and you will see that it shows all news articles for 4 seconds. Feel free to adjust the step time for your audience. To make it more visual, you can also insert a picture and link it to the featured images of the news article. You can limit the number of rows being displayed here via the advanced options of the data query. You have successfully configured your PowerPoint slide to display real-time news using SignageTube Live. Verify that the live news titles, descriptions, and links are scrolling smoothly and updating correctly during your presentation. For further customization, explore additional data connections or adjust scrolling settings to fit your display needs.